Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to factory reset your MOVA V50 Ultra. In order to factory reset it, ensure that the robot is turned on, then open the lid on top of the robot that is magnetically attached, and now you'll find this opening. Now you should open it. No, I'm sorry. No, you actually shouldn't. You can see this little light right here. It's marked as reset/Wi-Fi. You'll need to use something sharp, like a pin, needle, SIM card tray opener, or in my case a paperclip, and click on the button and hold.
Restoring to factory settings.
Now once it says restoring to factory settings, just let it finish. And once it's finished, you can now reconnect your robot. If you did the reset in order to fix something, you can sell your robot because it's reset. You can give it away. You can do whatever else you want it to do. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.